Mr. Max, I would like to know about reflecting figures.
Alright, I'll show you. Well, to reflect a figure over the y-axis, first you need your triangle. First you want to point at 2, 1. Then you want to point at 1, 2. Then you want to point at 2, 3. 2, 3. And you have to connect the dots. Now to translate, to reflect it over the y-axis, all you need to do is turn the first number on each coordinate to negatives. So negative 2, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 3. And plot the points. So negative 2, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 3. Connect the dots, and you have a reflected figure. What you will call this triangle is triangle A prime, B prime.
Now, Mr. Max, can you teach me about rotations?
I will teach you about rotations. It's very simple to rotate a figure 180 degrees on a coordinate plane. All you do is make 2 reflections. First, you reflect it over the y-axis, which will change the first number to negative, or whatever the opposite is, which turns to positive on this example. And then, secondly, you have to reflect it over the x-axis, which turns the second number to the opposite of that number. It's quite a simple process, you see. Rotations are easy.
1.
Now, I have one last question. It's about translations. Can you teach me more about this?
Yes, I will. Translation. A translation is a composite of 2 reflections over parallel lines. You just have to reflect it over this parallel line, then reflect it again over this one. It's quite simple. And the distance between these 2 figures is the same as this. And the distance between these is this times 2. It's very simple. Any more questions, Tyler DeVries?
Tell me a math joke.
Well, I don't always tell math jokes, but when I do, 3 out of every 2 people don't get it.
Sometimes